He can celebrate the New Year's, innit? At least he can celebrate the New Year's. At least he can celebrate the New Year's. It's not like he's been locked in for the New Year's, so at least he's out, which is great for him. I'm pleased for him. So this admitted is a mock game, you know. So my African brother. Damn shop here. What do I need in this African shop? What's it called? Julia Hair and Cosmetic. Okay. Right. Wow. So guys, we're at the town center here in Sheffield. You're seeing the sign of the homeless outside, you know, you're in the town center. So obviously. How you doing? You good, yeah?